Pink's Garage. Pink here, another edition. And today, we're not working in the garage, we're not working on a car, we're doing some yard work. But I got this nifty little trick that I just figured out. So, it's kind of cool. A neighbor of mine showed me, this trick, and it really helped out a lot. So, I'm removing a chain link fence in the front yard, so poles into the ground with concrete. And I was digging up the first one and it was working really hard to get it out. And so he suggested I use my cherry picker and a strap. Strap the pole, put the cherry picker there, and lift it up. And I'm going to show you how that's done. So this is going to be a really short video. Won't be much to it. Just me attaching a strap and lifting a pole out of the ground. So let's get to it. Okay, so not much to it. Got the pole. Got a cherry picker here. Probably gonna extend it out just a little bit to get some more lift. Don't really need 2 tons worth of pulling power. I'm going to try and keep the wheels on the concrete so they don't bury themselves. And first thing is, pull this little knot out that I left in it last night. Pretty easy. Okay, so you don't need terribly too much of it. So first thing I'm going to do is wrap this strap around and kind of sort of tie it. Just to give me a starting point. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do some loops so that when you pull up, it'll tighten. Like so. Like that. Basically just some cinch loops. Get out of my way for a minute. Change the way I was doing it. Yeah, like 3 should be enough. Let's see here, I got way too much of this left. So, what I'll do, I'll just wrap it on here. Not really worry about the chain so much. Just do that. Now, you just crank it up. I hope it holds like the one did yesterday. There she comes. Now if you have an electric or a hydraulic or air powered that's non-pump, it'll be a lot faster, but this is what I got. And there you have it. Out of the ground, easy to dispose of. So what I'll do now is I'll get it out, I'll knock the dirt off of it. Then I'll probably cut the pipe off as much close to the concrete as I can. And then I'll split the concrete off the rest of the pipe later. Take the concrete to the concrete recycle place and take the metal to a metal recycle. And that'll be the end of that. So get rid of this chain link fence here. My next plan is to smooth this out, maybe dig it up a little bit, create a trench, and then fill it with some 5/8 gravel, just to create more of a drain, so that when water starts to pool up right here, instead of pooling up, it'll drain into that. Get it deeper as they go down towards the road, and create a little French drain type deal. But not too complicated of one, just some rock. So that's the next step on this. So I'm going to finish pulling all this out and get it taken care of. If you like this video, make sure to give me a like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and check the notification bell so you know when my new videos come out. I know this is unusual for a garage channel, but I got the tools out of my garage, so does that count? And I'm using a cherry picker for my engine, so engine hoist. So it's partially garage. So remember, keep those motors running. And check out one of these videos over here.